Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Jitsi Meet screen share not working issue step by step. If you can't share your screen during a meeting, the problem is usually caused by browser permissions, unsupported devices, outdated software, or incorrect system settings. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using a supported browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Screen sharing works best on desktop browsers, while mobile devices may have limited screen sharing support depending on the operating system and app version. Next, click the Share Your Screen button and carefully follow the browser prompt. Select the screen, application window, or browser tab you want to share, then click Share. If you accidentally cancel the prompt, simply try again. If screen sharing still doesn't work, check your browser and operating system permissions. On Windows or macOS, make sure your browser has permission to record or capture your screen if your operating system requires it. After changing permissions, restart your browser before testing again. You should also update your browser and Jitsi Meet to the latest version. Close any unnecessary applications that may interfere with screen sharing and refresh the meeting if the problem continues. Finally, if you're using a work or school computer, some security policies may disable screen sharing. In that case, contact your system administrator to verify whether the feature has been restricted, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the Jitsi Meet screen share not working issue and successfully present your screen during online meetings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.